Hi, this is Rosemary. I'm so sorry I'm late posting. I've been on vacation. My TED Talk is about stress and how best to manage it. I think it is important to talk about stress because nobody really understands the significance of how it affects your mental and physical health. I chose stress because I experience it on a daily basis, and so do other people. And I think it's really important to reach out to those who don't understand and to help them just more educate them to explain what stress is, which will be more explained in my TED Talk. Um, I really enjoyed being in this class. It taught me how to better improve my writing. I think my TED Talk will help reach out to people and help them understand better what to do, how to manage it, and how it negatively affects your body. Um, I hope they understand how they're feeling so I can reach out, and if they need help, they know who to call and see. Because when you have stress, you don't need to take medicine like anxiety medicines. All you have to do is just relax and think about what's going on through your mind. So I hope you enjoy my TED Talk. Thank you.